Hello! Welcome to the Study With Me series of Law School Buddy. I have prepared audiobook materials following the syllabus of the Philippine bar exams dedicated to our law school students. I hope that this audiobook can help with your study and review. Let's begin. Title 2, Ownership. Chapter 1, Ownership in General. Article 427. Ownership may be exercised over things or rights. Article 428. The owner has the right to enjoy and dispose of a thing, without other limitations than those established by law. The owner has also a right of action against the holder and possessor of the thing, in order to recover it. Article 429. The owner or lawful possessor of a thing has the right to exclude any person from the enjoyment and disposal thereof. For this purpose, he may use such force as may be reasonably necessary to repel or prevent an actual or threatened unlawful physical invasion or usurpation of his property. Article 430. Every owner may enclose or fence his land or tenements by means of walls, ditches, live or dead hedges, or by any other means, without detriment to servitudes constituted thereon. Article 431. The owner of a thing cannot make use thereof in such manner as to injure the rights of a third person. Article 432. The owner of a thing has no right to prohibit the interference of another with the same, if the interference is necessary to avert an imminent danger, and the threatened damage, compared to the damage arising to the owner from the interference, is much greater. The owner may demand from the person benefited indemnity for the damage to him. Article 433. Actual possession under claim of ownership raises disputable presumption of ownership. The true owner must resort to judicial process for the recovery of the property. Article 434. In an action to recover, the property must be identified, and the plaintiff must rely on the strength of his title and not on the weakness of the defendant's claim. Article 435. No person shall be deprived of his property, except by competent authority and for public use, and always upon payment of just compensation. Should this requirement be not first complied with, the court shall protect and, in a proper case, restore the owner in his possession. Article 436. When any property is condemned or seized by competent authority, in the interest of health, safety or security, the owner thereof shall not be entitled to compensation, unless he can show that such condemnation or seizure is unjustified. Article 437. The owner of a parcel of land is the owner of its surface and of everything under it, and he can construct thereon any works, or make any plantations and excavations, which he may deem proper, without detriment to servitudes, and subject to special laws and ordinances. He cannot complain of the reasonable requirements of aerial navigation. Article 438. Hidden treasure belongs to the owner of the land, building, or other property on which it is found. Nevertheless, when the discovery is made on the property of another, or of the state or any of its subdivisions, and by chance, one half thereof shall be allowed to the finder. If the finder is a trespasser, he shall not be entitled to any share of the treasure. If the things found be of interest to science or the arts, the state may acquire them at their just price, which shall be divided in conformity with the rules stated. Article 439. By treasure is understood, for legal purposes, any hidden and unknown deposit of money, jewelry, or other precious objects, the lawful ownership of which does not appear. And that is the end. If this audiobook has helped you, please comment down below and like and share our video to someone who might need it. For more Study With Me sessions, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for making us your law school buddy.